too much, but we're gonna make it work because that's what we do. I did do it too much, but it's not the end of the world. What we can do is we can split it different, just like so. Because you gotta have enough room for our wheels and stuff, so that's actually not a terrible thing that we just did. I mean, in reality, there's gonna be a bunch of stuff up there, so we need it to be more flexible back here, so we can always just push it back like that. Yeah, that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. That will do, that'll do. That'll do. I didn't realize that. Now I know my limits are as far as bending and stuff goes. I don't really bend that much. Oh no. Yes. Couple more days, baby. Couple more days. So now we got what we needed. We now have two identical shaped tubings, or I got to figure out now what it is. Yep, this. I got to figure out now what it is with the tubing notcher. I think that we're gonna go something like this and something like that. Something very similar to that. I just got to make sure when I use the tubing notcher I go in the precise spot, because if not, this is going to be a terrible day because I don't have the tubing to make up for that. So, and I even thought about making it like a V-bottom almost, but I figured now why not just put a skid plate on it? It doesn't really matter what goes underneath it. All right. Now, so here's the tubing notcher. And it's bedtime because I am getting tired. I think All right, cool. Well, now we can weld this together. Let me grab my welding helmet real quick, and we'll tack this on and then call it a night. Because I'm tired, Victor's clearly charged, and I am ready to go to bed. I had to get better at these welds. Even this tax is just starting to get out of hand. Alright guys, so that concludes tonight. Tonight was more about the tubing bender than it was anything else really. I wanted to learn how it worked a little bit better and kind of fine tune it in. As you can see, I did get pretty close. But yeah, I mean, I think it's coming out pretty good so far. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess we'll see you next time. Until then, I'm 2GK Moto. This is Victor. We're out. We'll see you next time. We'll get a little bit closer to doing a little bit more suspension stuff.